In Macau's casinos, thousands of playing card decks are retired and destroyed, and the result is a stream of specialized waste, largely ending beyond the city. A different approach is now emerging via FNETLink technology. The local technology firm has partnered with MGM China to develop a fully localized recycling and upcycling process for used playing cards.
我哋係從嗰個智能嗰個自動碎牌系統嗰度開始嘅，咁可以幫助佢哋咧減少咗好多員工嘅勞損，同埋每日嗰個好重好強度嘅嗰個工作，咁所以由機械臂去取替咗人手嘅一個繁重工作，咁由呢一步開始。
Beyond reducing disposal volumes, the company sees potential for higher value reuse, supporting a variety of sustainable applications. In March, FNETLink launched an upcycling facility aiming to turn waste into new materials.
個回收廠就係用乾發纖維，即係將啤牌碎變為紙嘅原料，唔使用水。咁呢個方法就都籌備咗2年。
Once fully implemented, the recycling and upcycling program is expected to process roughly 3,000 tons of MGM China's used cards per year, with a recycling rate close to 100%. The recycled fibers could be used in a wide range of products, says Elaine Wong.
包括可以做一啲填充物啦，可以做一啲譬如公園啲凳啊、垃圾桶啊，或者係啲地磚啊，或者係好多台凳啊，或者係即係再加強工藝可以變返做紙，咁都係有可能嘅，因為呢個佢本身已經變為原料咯。
The facility has the capacity to process around 30 tons of used cards per day, or roughly 10,950 tons annually. FNETLink is now exploring potential partnerships for advancing green initiatives.
如果澳門每日有30噸嘅啤牌，呢個量係可以創造好大嘅一個原材料去再生產，咁呢一個亦都係我哋澳門獨有嘅嘢，咁慢慢可能亦都可以變為一個產業因為可以再做好多下游嘅嘢。